Okay, so to make your crepe, you'll be needing 2 eggs, some flour, water, milk, butter, and of course your toppings. First step is to mix all your ingredients into a bowl, so that consists your 2 eggs, a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of milk, and half a cup of water. Once those are all placed into a bowl, you can now mix it using a whisk, but if you guys don't have a whisk, a fork will do. Now you want to get 3 tablespoons of butter and melt it by heating it in the microwave for just a minute. Once you've heated up your butter, you want to pour it to the bowl and just mix it all together again. Next step is you want to turn on your stove so that it starts heating up already. Then, as you guys can see here, I am spreading some butter onto my pan using a tissue. I also suggest for you guys to use a non-stick pan so that the process of making the crepes later will be more easy and less messier. Since crepes are known to be just a thin layer, I'm just pouring half a cup of my mixture into my pan. Then I'm immediately rotating my pan into a circular-like motion so that my mixture would spread out and I'll be able to achieve a thin layered crepe. You want to wait for a few seconds before flipping your crepe just to make sure that both sides are cooked. And that's how you basically make crepes, but of course we want to make it more tastier by adding some toppings. You guys could add any toppings that you guys desire, but just for reference, on my first crepe I added some mangoes, some chocolate syrup, some more mangoes, some crushed Oreos, For my second crepe, I added slices of banana, some more mangoes, and topped it off with some chocolate syrup. And we're done.